Today in this video, we are going to see about reference data types and variables. So in the last video, we have seen what is a data type and the types of data types. So that is primitive and types of primitive is 8 types. We have seen everything with an example. So now let's see what is a reference data types. So these reference data types are created using a defined constructors of the class. So the class will have a constructor and that constructor will create these reference data types. So why we are using this reference data type is to access the objects so that the variables can be declared to the specific type, which will not be able to be changed. For example, you can say employee, animal, puppy, like these kind of reference names. So that is called reference data type. And in reference data type, we can just add an object to the existing class. Like example, if you are having an animal and we can add like animal, new animal is giraffe. So that giraffe will be added to the animals group. This is the reference data type. The default value of the reference data type will be always set to null. Clear? Next, we will be seeing Java variables. So what is a variable? It is nothing but it is a container that is holding the value while the program is executed. So what are the values that is having in the program? That will be contained in this variables. So it is assigned with a data type. So these two are interlinked. So simply we can say that Java variable is nothing but the name of a memory location. Either it can be data or character, like these kind of things are called as Java variables. We have three types of variables: local variable, instance variable, and static variable. Now we will see this all three with an example. Let me share you the notepad. So I have taken this class. Here, public class A. So I have given a class name as A and static. So this is the static variable. That is, I have declared the variable as static. Okay. So what is a static variable is nothing but it will be declared, the keyword will be declared as static, and we can create a single copy of static variable. That is, we can create it once and we can share it among all the instances. That is, wherever the program is executed, the integer m value will be considered as 0. This is the static variable. Next one is void method. Integer n is equal to 90. So this is the local variable. What is a local variable? That is declared inside the body of the method. So a local variable is declared inside the body of the method. It is used only within the method. It cannot be defined as static keyword. Okay. So this n value is 90 will be available only within this body of method. Apart from that, it will not be eligible. Next one is int data equal to 50. Here it will be assigned as instance variable. So what is an instance variable? That is, it will be declared inside the class but outside the body of the method, so that it is not declared as static. That is, instance variable is declared inside the class but outside the body of the method. Clear? So these are all the three types of variables: static, local, and instance variables. I hope it is clear. So up to this, we have seen the fundamentals of Java. So hereafter, we will start learning how we are going to write a program and execute a program. So let me show you a simple basic addition program that we are going to execute right now. So public class addition. So I have given the class name as addition so that I will save the file name also addition.java. Public static void main string as I am assigning the main method and I am assigning the integer values here. It is a basic simple program where I am giving the input. in the upcoming programs, we will see the basic similar programs. Okay. Integer a is equal to 10. Integer b is equal to 10. So int c is equal to a plus b, which is the addition of a and b. So the system has to print the output as C value. So now I have saved this program. Now let me show you how we are going to execute the program. Let me start the command prompt. So what we have to go do is, first thing is I have to go to the directory where I have saved the program. So here you can see that I can save already this program in workspace. So I'm just checking the directory. So here you can see the addition.java program. So what I have to do next is I have to go to that directory. So directory workspace. So my directory has moved to workspace. So now what is the command that we have to use for the compiling the Java program? Yes, it is Java C. So Java C space addition dot Java. So if there are no errors, it will just enter. And now what we have to do to run the program? We have to give Java space addition, so that my output will be getting printed. So 20 is my output. So the A value is 10, B value is 10. So the addition of A plus B is 20. So this is a basic simple program. Just go through with your notepad and run execute with your command prompt. Please do let me know if there are any errors that you have got it. Okay. We'll see the upcoming video in the other programs. Thank you. Have a nice day.